Welcome students, this is Meer Hamza, the creator of the channel Launch Mathematics. Today we are going to explore the important concepts in business and finance arithmetic. Understanding the relationship between cost and selling price, profit and profit loss percentages helps business investor evaluate performance, make informed decision and set goals. So let's practice calculating profit loss CP and SP and profit and loss percentages. So keep in touch with me at the end of the video. So our first topic is cost price and selling price. Cost price refers to the amount of money it takes to produce or acquire a product or service. It's the expense incurred by business to create something. While selling price, on the other hand, is the amount of money a business charges customers for a product or service. It's the revenue generated by a sale. So our second topic is profit and loss. Profit. Profit is the amount of money earned above the cost of producing or acquiring a product or service. It's the reward for taking risk and investing time, money and resources. Profit motivates business to innovate, grow and create value. While loss on the other hand is the amount of money lost when the cost of producing or acquiring a product or service exceeds the revenue generated. Losses can be a setback, but they also provide opportunities to learn and improve. Now it's time of our third topic, profit percentage and loss percentage. Profit percentage is the percentage increase in value compared to the cost price, while loss percentage is the percentage decrease in value compared to the cost price. Now let's take an example. A company buys a product for $100 and sells it for $120. How can we calculate profit, loss, profit percentages and loss percentages? They can be calculated by using these formulas. These formulas are used to calculate loss, profit, profit percentage, loss percentage, cost and sell prices. So learn and practice these formulas to calculate the financial arithmetic contents. So I am leaving you with a quote said by Warren Buffett: do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving.